Hey everybody, this is JP with InkSoft, and in this rapid fire marketing tip, I want to share the most commonly used pricing strategy amongst the leading e-tailers and retailers. Now this might seem really obvious, but this is also an opportunity to really understand all the potential of this particular pricing strategy, but also to see all the InkSoft features that directly relate to taking advantage of this strategy. Now the strategy I'm referring to is marking products as on sale. So often retailers will actually mark up the price of a product, so they'll artificially increase the price to only come back and reduce the price to again use and leverage the psychology of sales. So all consumers have a few things in common. They all want to get the maximum value, so they appreciate cost savings. They also respond to urgency. So oftentimes products that are marked on sale have a limited sort of availability. So you can buy these range of products and you can save until X date. So again, commonly used strategy. But let's now jump into all the InkSoft features that directly relate to marking products on sale. Now I'm starting with the end result. So once you do mark a product on sale, this is what your customer would see when they visit an InkSoft powered web store. Now of course there is a visual indicator, so you can see this little pill that says on sale that follows every product. You'll also notice below that where it displays the original retail price, which is slashed, you'll see the new retail price, and then below that you'll see the savings. And again, this helps your customers respond to a good value by seeing those products that are marked on sale. So let's now jump into the InkSoft admin portal, and what I'll call your attention to is products, and of course manage products, where you can search products by SKU, or you can use any of the filters here to really drill down on the products that you wish to mark as on sale. So in this example, I went to find all of the products that were assigned to a specific store. Now from here, I'll see a listing of those products. The very first option you have for marking a product on sale, if it's an individual product, well, you'll simply click the SKU, in which case that will take you to the Edit Product screen for that particular product. Now once you get to the Edit Product screen, you'll click the Pricing tab. And once you do that, you'll have the ability to control all of the pricing for that specific SKU. So in InkSoft, you have, of course, a SKU for a product. Then you also have the different styles and sizes. So in this case, this particular SKU has 3 different styles associated with it. It has gold, cardinal, and white. Now you notice I've already marked the gold and cardinal as on sale. Now here on the furthest column on the right-hand side, you'll see the sales price and you'll see the date range. So the beginning date and the end date. So you'll see the normal customer unit price established right to the left. And of course, you'll see the sales price and sales details. Now, if you scroll down, in order to add products on sale, you can click the new sale little button here. And what that's going to do is call up a modal window where you can establish the sale start date and of course the end date. Now, once you've done that, you have the ability to enter in the sales price at each individual size. So this gives you granular control at the style level and the size level. You have the ability to mark certain products on sale. So this gives you a lot of oversight over inventory that might not be moving. Perhaps you have a surplus of a specific style and size. Well, of course, you can go ahead and mark those on sale to induce purchases of that particular inventory. So this is the first sort of insight I want to share with you. This is controlling the sales price at the individual SKU level. But let's say that you have a range of product like all t-shirts or all outerwear, maybe the season's changing. So what you can do from your filtering, where you can drill down on specific products, I can select one or more product. And of course, from the grid dropdown, I can select the option that is called Product Sale Grid. Now what these grids will do is open up a new tabbed workspace that really behaves as sort of a virtual spreadsheet, if you will. So it saves you a lot of time in terms of downloading a spreadsheet, modifying it, and then re-uploading it. You can do it inline in this view here. So notice here I have 2 SKUs. So you can see at the top we have 1 SKU, and then it's sort of divided to the next SKU. So for each SKU, you have the ability to clear all of the rows. So let's say that you've entered in a bunch of data, but you want to clear that out. You can clear all of the inputs. You also have the ability to establish the sales start date and the sales end date. So of course that would indicate the day the product goes on sale and the day that you're going to remove that sales price. Now you also notice I can click in any of the coordinates that align with the color and the size. And if I scroll down, this is a better example. Again, I can go directly to black medium and I can mark that specific product on sale. So this really gives you control over a range of products and of course all the styles and sizes within that range that you've selected. So two very powerful ways to mark products on sale. So in summary, think for your next selling opportunity, how can you slightly mark up your products, so artificially increase the product price, then come back and offer an exciting sell and establish a certain date range that that product will be on sale to induce purchase intention and create that urgency. Now I will point out one last time, as you mark these products on sale, how they'll position on the storefront itself. So a visual indicator, letting customers compare the original retail price with the sale price and showcasing visibly the savings. Now I'll point out one final tip. Think about on the home page of an online store. So as you know, you have a product catalog which will display all of the products for that particular store. But on the home page, you can create different product components to really bring highlight to certain products. So think about adding a product component and then positioning all of the products that you've marked on sale and using the heading and the subheading to really call extra attention to that. Hey, exciting special, save on all t-shirts until X date. When they're gone, they're gone. So think about not only using the strategy, but how can you use marketing messaging as part of that strategy to really bring light and attention. So again, this has been a marketing tip on using the sales functionality in InkSoft to mark products on sale. Now, as always, if you have any questions about this series of functionality or any others in InkSoft, please reach out to the InkSoft Success Squad.